Hi, I'm Magi Helena. Did you ever want to meet your prince or princess charming and instead only met toads? Have you ever wondered why some jobs or opportunities or even beauty products worked out better than you expected and other things that you thought would be great turned into an epic fail? The truth is that not every day is the same. Some days are great, some days are terrible, some are in between. You have individual cycles you go through that determine the opportunities that you will have each day. When things aren't working out the way you want, the missing ingredient can be timing. Every day is not created equal. You have unique personal star cycles that can either help you or hurt you a lot. Timing really is just about everything. There's right timing and there's wrong timing. Think about it this way. If every day was equally favorable and powerful, a lot more people would be billionaires happily married to their soulmates. The good news is that now you can find out your own personal, unique star cycles right away. Using the proven principles of research-tested star science, I've invented personal star timer calendars. My calendars can instantly deliver you your very best and very worst days for love, money, career, fame, beauty, and more. Learn how to sidestep heartbreak and failure. Learn how to avoid beauty disasters. Find out your personal right timing to meet your soulmate. Start a successful new job. Get great beauty results and more. My star timers are so popular, 88% of star timer owners order again. And every star timer comes with my personal 100% money back guarantee, so you can try one risk-free. There is no product available anywhere in the world that gives you your personal star cycles like my star timers. And my star timers are only available here from me. Now you can start getting the results that you want by putting the power of your personal right timing to work for you.